Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using beautiful Promenade, and we are going to be making this cute little card. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our Big Shot. And I have a piece of fresh fig, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And I have my Petal Burst embossing folder. And that is all that we are using the Big Shot for. And we're going to be using Beautiful Promenade, and we're going to be using the sentiment, praying that this difficult road leads you to a beautiful destination. Now, I have the coordinating paper, Petal Promenade. And one of the designer series papers has these little squares cut all around, and what I did was I just ran it through my Big Shot using the layering squares. I used the biggest one, and I'm going to ink that up in the Fresh Fig ink, and I have this mounted on clear block B. And then I use the largest scallop square from the layering squares. And I'm just going to put this down with some SNAIL adhesive. And it's going to make a small little border around. Just like that. And now I'm going to come in with my metallic edged ribbon along with my Fresh Fig sheer ribbon. And I'm going to put this down together. So I'm going to tape it down on one side first. And then on the other side, I'm going to trim off my excess. So just like that. Next, I'm going to put this down with some SNAIL adhesive as well. And my card base is Smoky Slate, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I've already scored it at 4 1/4. Alright, so just like that. And then I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals, and I'm going to pop this up. Alright, so there you have it, a quick and simple card using the beautiful Promenade suite. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Remember, if you need any of these supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye!